A worker is only as good as their tools. Have you ever tried to cut paper with dull scissors? It's frustrating, right? The same applies to businesses. In this lecture, we will look at some of the most popular tools used in business intelligence. We will explore Power BI, Tableau, and Looker, learn about their features, and understand how businesses use them to solve problems. In this lecture, you will understand the role of BI tools in data analysis and decision making. Learn about Power BI, Tableau, and Looker, including their key features. Explore practical use cases for each tool. BI tools are software applications that help businesses analyze, visualize, and share data. They make it easier to turn raw numbers into meaningful insights. Instead of looking at rows and columns of data, businesses can use these tools to create charts, graphs, and dashboards. Business intelligence tools are powerful systems that transform raw data into actionable insights. Here is how they work step by step. BI tools gather data from multiple sources, both internal and external. These sources include databases, APIs, cloud platforms, and even social media. A retail business, for example, collects sales data from its online store and physical locations. Raw data is often messy and unstructured. BI tools clean, organize, and format the data to make it easier to analyze. For instance, duplicate customer entries are removed and inconsistent data formats are standardized. BI tools examine the processed data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. This helps businesses gain deeper insights. A company, for instance, analyzes customer purchase trends to see what products are popular during the holiday season. BI tools create reports and dashboards that summarize the data. These reports are easy to read and highlight the key metrics and insights. For example, a sales dashboard might show revenue by region, top selling products, and month over month growth. Visualization like charts, graphs, and heat maps make complex data easier to understand. BI tools create visuals to help users interpret data quickly. A bar chart shows product sales by category, making it clear which items are most profitable. BI tools are like tools in a carpenter's toolbox. A hammer is great for nails, a saw cuts wood, and a screwdriver tightens screws. Each tool has its purpose, and the carpenter chooses the one that fits the job. Similarly, businesses choose BI tools based on their specific data needs. The right tool makes all the difference. BI tools help businesses solve problems more effectively and efficiently. Power BI, created by Microsoft, is one of the most widely used BI tools. It is known for its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Microsoft products like Excel and Azure. Power BI allows businesses to create interactive dashboards and share them across teams. For instance, a retail store might use Power BI to track inventory, sales, and customer preferences in real time. If one item is selling faster than others, the dashboard will highlight this, helping managers restock quickly. One key feature of Power BI is its affordability. It is a cost effective solution, making it popular among small and medium sized businesses. Another powerful tool in the BI toolbox is Google Analytics 4, GA4. While primarily known as a web analytics tool, GA4 functions as a BI solution by providing deep insights into user behavior and trends across websites and mobile apps. Its event-driven model and AI-powered insights make it especially useful for businesses focused on customer interactions and digital marketing. Google Analytics 4 is a powerful tool that tracks user interactions across websites and apps. While traditionally viewed as a web analytics tool, GA4 also acts as a business intelligence tool by providing actionable insights that drive decision making. Cross-platform tracking. GA4 integrates data from both websites and mobile apps, offering a unified view of user behavior. Real-time analytics. With GA4, you can check real-time traffic and users of your website or app. AI-powered insights. It leverages machine learning to highlight trends, predict outcomes, and detect anomalies in data. Custom reporting. Businesses can build tailored reports to focus on specific metrics or events. Event-based data model. Unlike previous versions, GA4 tracks events, offering greater flexibility and granularity in data analysis. Seamless integration. GA4 works well with Google Ads, Google BigQuery, and other BI tools, making it a versatile option for businesses of all sizes. An e-commerce business can use GA4 to track customer journey across devices, analyze which products are driving repeat purchases, identify high-performing marketing campaigns. Check this purchase journey GA4 report. This purchase journey report in GA4 provides insights into the steps users take in the funnel leading to a purchase. Let's discuss the key metrics highlighted in this report. Session start. Total number of sessions that begin on your site or app. View product. Number of users who viewed product details. Add to cart. Number of users who added products to their cart. Begin checkout. Number of users who initiated the checkout process. Purchase. Number of users who completed a purchase. We can also see the abandonment rates in this report. The abandonment rate for each stage shows the percentage of users who dropped off before progressing to the next stage. For example, view product stage, abandonment rate of 82.2%. Add to cart stage, abandonment rate of 51.2%. GA4's ability to provide real-time and predictive insights make it invaluable for businesses looking to optimize their strategies. Tableau stands out for its focus on data visualization. It is perfect for creating visually stunning charts and dashboards. Unlike some tools, Tableau is designed to handle large data sets and works well with multiple data sources. For example, a healthcare company might use Tableau to analyze patient data, identifying trends in illness or treatments. Tableau's visualization makes complex data easy to understand even for people without a technical background. Tableau also offers a mobile app that allows users to access their dashboards on the go. This flexibility makes it ideal for businesses with remote teams or frequent travelers. Looker, owned by Google, focuses on connecting directly to databases and providing advanced analytics. It is particularly useful for businesses that need custom reports or have unique data requirements. For instance, an e-commerce company might use Looker to track customer behavior on their website. By connecting to the company's database, Looker can show which pages are most visited or which products are added to carts but not purchased. Looker's strength lies in its customization. It allows users to tailor their reports and dashboards to meet specific business needs. This makes it a favorite for tech-savvy teams. ClickSense is known for its powerful analytics and associative data engine. It allows users to explore data from multiple angles and uncover hidden insights quickly. For example, a logistics company might use ClickSense to analyze delivery times and customer satisfaction across regions. Its fast processing speed helps identify bottlenecks and optimize routes effectively. ClickSense also supports self-service analytics, empowering users without technical expertise to create their own reports and visualizations. Domo integrates data from multiple sources and provides a unified view of business performance. It excels in creating visualizations and offering real-time insights. For instance, a marketing team might use Domo to monitor campaign performance across different platforms, such as social media, email, and paid ads. The tool aggregates data into one dashboard, making it easy to see what's working and where adjustments are needed. Domo is particularly effective for businesses that prioritize collaboration as it enables teams to share insights and updates seamlessly. SAP Analytics Cloud is ideal for large-scale businesses. It combines BI predictive analytics and planning tools in one platform. A manufacturing company might use SAP Analytics Cloud to forecast demand, manage inventory, and monitor production efficiency. The platform's predictive features help businesses stay ahead by anticipating challenges and opportunities. Its integration with other SAP systems make it a go-to choice for enterprises already using SAP products. Zoho Analytics is an excellent option for small businesses or startups looking for a cost-effective BI tool. It provides basic analytics, visualizations, and reporting features. For instance, a small online retailer might use Zoho Analytics to track website traffic, sales, and customer feedback. The tool is easy to set up and offers enough functionality for businesses starting their BI journey. IBM's Cognos Analytics leverages artificial intelligence to provide advanced insights. It automates data preparation, making it easier to uncover trends and opportunities. A financial institute might use IBM Cognos to analyze transaction data, identify fraudulent activities, or predict investment trends. The AI-driven insight makes this tool a favorite for businesses that need precision and automation. Choosing the right BI tool depends on the business's needs. Let's see a quick comparison table of BI tools. Research one BI tool, Power BI, Tableau, or Looker. Write a short paragraph explaining its features and how it could benefit a business you're familiar with, real, or imagined. In summary, BI tools are essential for analyzing and visualizing data. In this lecture, we explored Power BI, Tableau, and Looker, learning about their features and use cases. These tools empower businesses to make smarter, faster decisions. Which BI tool do you think is the most interesting? Do you believe businesses should invest heavily in these tools, or are there similar solutions? Share your thoughts in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.